In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on meal reminders on the MyFitnessPal application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. Scroll down till you find the reminders section and tap on it. As you can see, the notifications are currently disabled for MyFitnessPal, so in order to turn them on, you should go to your phone's settings and enable or allow the application to have access to your notifications. After that, you can select your meal reminders such as breakfast, lunch and dinner. If you tap on it, you can edit the reminder, so you can change the name and the time of it as well when you would like to get the reminder of it. Tap on the checkmark icon to save the changes. So feel free to personalize them, and after that you will be able to turn them on by tapping on the button next to them. So when they turn to green, it means that they are turned on, and you can also turn on the weekly weight reminder. So feel free to select the frequency of it, so it can be either daily, weekly or monthly, but the weekly is the default option. And you can also indicate the day of the week when you would like to get the notification and the time as well. Click on the checkmark icon and then turn it on by tapping on this button. You can add further reminders by tapping on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. You can indicate the title of it, the frequency, the day of the week and the time. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.